This is an arthroscopic view of the left knee. The posteromedial area of the meniscus is visualized by diving with the scope through the notch. The lesion is clearly seen and the edges are refreshed with a meniscal rasp. A slotted cannula is introduced to facilitate entry of the fast fixed needle without lodging soft tissues. The first anchor is delivered in a medial position on the inner meniscal fragment, while the second one is fired 8 mm lateral to the first. When the suture is tightened, the gap approximates posteriorly, and this can be checked and visualized with the scope. This is another lesion of the right knee after identification of the tear and preparation with a meniscal rasp, and the edges are probed to determine the extent of the tear. The fast fixed needle is then introduced over a slotted cannula. The first anchor is fired in the posterior capsule passing above the meniscus, followed by delivering of the second anchor, again in the capsule passing beneath the meniscus without any sutures in the meniscal tissue itself, creating a circumferential stitch. When the suture is tightened, the meniscus is approximated to the capsule, closing the gap at the tear. With more extensive lesions, more than one stitch may be required to achieve better reduction and fixation of the tear and distribute the stresses acting on the sutures. This is the final view, and the stability of the repair could be tested with a probe. This is another tear of the right knee. One fast fix anchor is deployed in the capsule. The second is fired into the inner meniscal fragment, creating a vertical matrix suture. When the suture is tightened, the inner meniscal fragment may flip upwards. Therefore, another fast fix is anchored in the capsule passing beneath the meniscus and used to bring the inner meniscal fragment back to a horizontal position when it is tightened. In this knee, the tear was stable and covered by healing scar tissue. Using anterior visualization of the posteromedial ramp area, a spinal needle was introduced and used to pie cross the meniscotibial junction, inducing a healing response.